I'm Kemalata Vigneshwaran here from SMK Pijaranipo. Here today I'm going to explain about Chapter 9 Earth. Now we are going to see 9.1 the system and structures of Earth. First, the definition of Earth is Earth system consists of 4 main components such as atmosphere, geosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Now is atmosphere stratification. Atmosphere is composed by different layers. Each layer has different temperature and air pressure. There are totally 5 different atmospheres. First is exosphere, second thermosphere, third meteorites, fourth stratosphere, fifth is troposphere. First, what is exosphere? Exosphere 480 km and above from the Earth's surface. The outermost and thin layer becomes vacuum at about 700 km from the Earth's surface. Contains light gases such as helium and hydrogen. Satellites that play an important role in the field of communications orbit in the layer. Second is thermosphere. Thermosphere 800 to 480 km from the Earth's surface. The temperature in this layer is very high as it receives much ultraviolet ray from the sun which is converted to heat. Third is meteorites. Mesosphere. Meteorites is also called as mesosphere. 50 to 80 km from the Earth's surface. The coldest layer about -90 Celsius with low pressure. The temperature in this layer decreases with increasing altitude. The higher the altitude, the lower the temperature. Most meteorites are burnt up here. Next is stratosphere. Stratosphere is located at 13 to 50 km above from the Earth's surface and a layer with no clouds, more stable and suitable for airplane flights. This layer is important because it contains the ozone layer which absorbs most of the ultraviolet rays that are harmful to life. More light is absorbed at higher altitude. Therefore, the temperature in this layer increases with altitude. The temperature can reach 0 Celsius at 50 km. Finally, troposphere. Troposphere is located at 0 to 13 km from the Earth's surface. The closest layer to the Earth's surface is troposphere. Unstable, formation of winds, rains, clouds, snow and changes in humidity and temperature occur here. The temperature and pressure in this layer decreases with altitude. Troposphere is heated by the heat reflected by the Earth's surface. Thus, the temperature decreases when the layer is further away from the Earth's surface. Next, what is the definition of ozone layer? As everyone knows, ozone layer. Ozone layer. Stop. Ocean stratification. There are 3 main zones in ocean stratification. Distribution of life species differ with the depth of zone. Okay, now there are 3 main zones in the ocean. First, we can see here surface zone 0 to 200 meter from sea level. Next is midnight zone 200 to 1000 meter from sea level. Next, dark zone 1000 meter and above from the sea level. What is a surface zone? Ocean zone that can be penetrated by sunlight. Photosynthesis can be carried out here. Thus, about 90% of life in the ocean are distributed in the zone. Next, what is a midnight zone? This zone has little or no light. Thus, it is difficult for plants to live here because no photosynthesis carried out here. Larger sea creatures such as giant squid and adapt to live in the low light environment. Most of the living creatures in this zone are black or red in color due to lack of light. Finally, dark zone. This zone is very dark and no light at all can penetrate it. Thus, the temperature of this zone is very low. Most of the creatures that live in this zone have body that shines or glows in the dark. For example, the anglerfish can produce light to help with this movement. Next, what is distribution of water on Earth? Almost 97% of the water on Earth is salt water from the ocean. The rest exists as fresh water and is distributed as underground water, surface water in lakes, rivers and swamps, glaciers and ice caps at the poles, stored water in soil, in clouds, in the atmosphere and in the body of organisms such as humans, animals and more. The total amount of water contained in the earth, do you know? On the earth's surface and in the atmosphere is always constant and recycled continuously through the water cycle. Now, Earth's layer. There are three main layers in the earth. First is crust. Crust is divided by lithosphere, asthenosphere, mesosphere. Next is mantle. Third layer is outer core and fourth layer is inner core. Usually cores they only divide into one group. So outer core and inner core is only one group. So don't be confused with this. If there are some questions, the answer is only 3 layers in the earth, not 4 layers. Please remember. Next, what is a crust? Do you know? Okay, the outermost layer of the earth and solid is crust. The top part of lithosphere and is divided into 2 layers. The top layer is the continent that is composed of granite, which beneath the granite is a layer of hard rock known as basalt. Most of the crust consists of igneous rocks. Rocks, do you know? Yeah, usually rocks you know, right? Okay, next, mantle. The next layer beneath the crust. 70% of the earth's volume is made up of mantle. The upper mantle beneath the lithosphere consists of semi-molten rock due to high temperature, 1400 Celsius. This layer is known as asthenosphere. The mantle is unstable due to convection current that causes the movement of the mantle. So, asthenosphere is the second name of mantle. Third is core. Consists of 2 layers, that is outer core and inner core. Okay? So, the inner core is denser and hotter than the outer core. The core of the earth is 2 times denser than the mantle layer because the core layer contains mineral metals compared to the mantle which is mostly made up of rocks. Now, layer Earth's crust is additional information for you. Here, the layer of the earth is first Earth's crust. The composition from the Earth's crust is granite and basalt. Then the thickness of crust is 30 to 60 kilometer. Temperature of crust is 800 and below. Density of crust is 2.7 to 3.0 gram over centimeter. Okay, now here, mantle. The composition from mantle is silica and sulfur. Then the thickness is 10 to 2900 kilometer. Temperature is 800 to 1600 Celsius. Then density is 3.5 to 5.5. Next, outer core. Outer core's composition is nickel and iron, but it is liquid. Next, thickness is 2000 kilometer. Temperature 3000 Celsius and density is 10. Finally, inner core. Inner core composition is nickel and iron. It is solid. So the thickness is 1370 kilometer and the temperature is 5000 Celsius. Density is 13.6. Okay. Earth is the only home for all living organisms. Earth is the only home that is suitable to live in the solar system because the Earth's physical conditions are suitable to support life. Earth is the third planet from the Sun, as usually all know, and the distance between the Earth and the Sun makes the Earth's temperature not too hot or not too cold. This provides the suitable condition for life to thrive on Earth. Existence of fresh water and oxygen on Earth also allows living things to obtain the basic needs to sustain life. Therefore, we must preserve the environment in order to maintain the suitable physical conditions of the Earth so that it will continue to